Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing Molly the American Girl doll. And so if you've been following me, you know that I've drawn quite a few of these dolls for you. And I want to thank you cuties for constantly requesting that I draw more and inspiring me. So Molly here is a little bit different from all the American Girl dolls I've drawn so far because she's wearing glasses. So hopefully in this drawing today I would have helped you draw her a little bit easier. So get your Sharpie or your pencil and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw cute Molly, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start with a circle. And I'm not making these circles as big as usual because I do have a pair of glasses I need to put around them. So I'm going to come right next to it, a little bit further apart. So just imagine you have glasses, there's a bridge in between. So say about right here. I'll start my the other circle. There. So then from there, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There, so I have two eyes in. I'm going to come to the side and just give them some simple lashes. Just two curves on the side, and same thing over here. From there, let's go ahead and draw her glasses. So I'm going to come right in between her eyes, say about right here, and I'll just draw a soft curve for the bridge of the glasses. Then from there, I'm just going to go around and draw the frame. So just a very simplified frame, just kind of like an oval all the way around her eye. And so same thing over here. And I'll just come in here and thicken them up. Okay, there, finally have her glasses in. Okay, so then from there we can finally draw her face. So I'm going to come to where the top of this glasses are and come out about right here, really close to it, and I'm going to start to draw kind of like a bottom of a U. So same thing over here, right here. And let's go ahead and connect at the bottom. Before I do that, I forgot. Let's draw her smile first, right? So come about right here in the center, and I'll go ahead and draw a soft curve. Bring it up a little bit and cap off the ends. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and draw this bottom of a U. So right underneath, right here, go ahead and curve it in. And connect. So then now we can go ahead and draw her ears. So come out and bring this up a tiny bit more. And about right here we'll draw her ears. So two curves that come out. And I'll draw some details inside, two small curves. And same thing over here. And smooth out her face. Okay, so then from there we can go ahead and draw her bangs. So it's going to be right on top of her glasses. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and start with a curve all the way across. But here and there, I'm going to break it up so it's not such a stiff curve. So here and there, I'll just put in some notches, go across, bring it, start curve up a little bit, and come to the other side. Okay, so there. So then now we can go ahead and draw her bangs on the top right here. Just bring this up. So we're just kind of creating this dome shape right here. So we're going to go all the way to the center. So say about right here, nice and high. And connect. Then you can bring these curves up for some detail. And then let's come to the center. Just come up a tiny bit from the center, about right here. And we're going to go up this side and up on this side. So let's bring this up a little bit, and then we're going to bring it all the way back down to her ear. This just gives her hair more volume. And same thing over here. And before I draw anything else, I realized I forgot to draw this part right here in the glasses. So just add a slight little angle line right here. Okay, then from there let's draw her body before we draw her braids. So I'm going to come right in the center and draw a little neck for her. So 2 little lines right here. And then we're going to bring it out for her shoulders, about right here. Curve it out. And then let's come back right here. I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. And then let's imagine where her armpits would be. So say about right here and here. I'll just give myself 2 points, and I'll start with 2 slight angle lines. From there, let's draw some details on her outfit. So right here in the center, I'm going to come out with a curve for her collar. And then connect it at the bottom right here for her sweater with a curve. And let's see here. We can bring this up and here as well. And then add a line right here and here for some details in her sweater. So then let's keep bringing this down now to finish off her sweater, continuing, and about right there, I'm going to pop it out a tiny bit for the bottom of her sweater, and then connect with a curve. And then right here, just go ahead and draw another curve. And just lightly add some lines all the way through, just for some detail and texture. Okay, so then from there we can go ahead and draw her skirt. So I'm going to pop it out about right here. Just come in a little bit and just draw a soft curve that comes out. And all right, there, I'll go ahead and connect it. Just give us a tiny wave, come down, and go back up. There. Now for her legs. So nicely in center, simple legs. So we're just going to come about right here and here. Now I'll work on this side first. So I'll bring this down at a slight angle. And we're going to get thinner as we come down. So then let's go on this side as well. So just a slight angle. And getting thinner as we come down. And about right here, let's curve this out for her shoes. Round it off. This part's a little bit straighter, and then we're just going to curve and connect. And then right here, a curve. And there's a band right here, I believe. So I'm just going to add a little band right here. And she is wearing socks, so another curve up here. And you can pop that out. So same thing here. Socks, and then let's bring this down. Curve this out. And connect. And once again, a curve for her shoe. Another curve right here. And we're done with her feet. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her arms. So I'm just having them to her side, so let's bring this out. It's a little bit thicker because she is wearing a sweater. So I'm just going to bring it to the side right here. Continue. And then she has a little cuff area right here. So I'll stop and pop it out. Just like this part, and I'll just come in here with some lines. And then her hands. Just nice and simple, just a thumb and fingers. And you can draw two little lines right there for some detail. So same thing over here. Right there. So right here it ends. And for her fingers again. So just a thumb. Just make sure I end at about the same level. And fingers. And two little lines. Okay, so finally we have that in, and then we can go ahead and work on her braids. So let's come right here and we'll work on this side first. So we're going to pop out a curve right here. So I'm totally simplifying these braids just to make it a lot easier to draw, and I'll come out with another one right here. And then we're going to continue right down here with a curve. And then we're just going to go back and forth to create these braids. So I'll bring them down to about right here. And about right there, I'll stop because I need to put a bow right here in the center. I'm going to draw a circle and then the bow. Whatever space I have left here, go ahead, put in a curve right here for the bow, and then the tail. And then the bottom of the braid. So I'm just going to curve out some strands. And you can just bring in these a little bit more. That's just a simplified way to draw the braids. So let's do the same thing on this side as well. So once again, come about right here. And we're going to go back and forth just like the other side. And once again, bringing it all the way here. So we just want to aim to draw these braids about the same thickness. And bring it to about right there. And a bow just like the other side. I hope I'm not going too fast, cuties. If I am, please just pause the video and hope that helps. And let's see here. Oh, and also the tail. Forgot to draw some detail lines right here. And then once again, the end. So I'm just gonna put in some strands. And once again, I'll just bring these in a little bit more. There. And of course, we have to add a heart and give Molly a heart right here, because she is my Draw So Cute Molly, right, from American Girl Dolls. And that is pretty much it, except, you know what? I'm going to try, I feel like I made her face a little too square. I'm going to try to make her face a little bit sharper at the bottom right here. And hopefully that helps. I'm just going to come in here with my handy whiteout pen, and let's see if this helps. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Molly turned out, and that I helped you with the glasses and the braids and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much, Draw So Cuties. And if you love American Girl dolls, please make sure to check out my playlist for all the American Girl doll drawings that I've drawn so far. And thanks so much for watching again. And if you do love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.